I've owned this AC unit for about 4 years now, and I would love to share with you some of my favorite things about it. For starters is its sleek white design. It is pretty small for an AC unit of this much power. This one operates at 8,000 BTU. It says it's designed to use in a room up to 350 square feet. We've personally used this in our master bedroom as well as in our daughter's nursery when we moved, and it's been a great addition. I feel like every house we've lived in, there's always been one room that's just a little bit too hot, and this has definitely solved that issue for us. About 2 years ago, I had caught a terrible flu right at the start of summer, and I was absolutely miserable. And I remember just setting this up in our master bedroom, curling up in bed and just having it feel like an ice box. It was so beneficial to have. The way this is designed to work is you would connect this back portion to a port outside of your window. This is the hose that it uses right here. And we've moved this different homes about 3 times, and inside of each of those homes, it's been in multiple rooms. So we've extended and minimized this many times, and it's held up really well. It's made of plastic, but let me show you what it looks like extended. It also goes a lot longer than this, so it's definitely can reach pretty far into like a specific window you might need. And it folds up that easily. It's made of really great quality in my opinion. This right here is designed to go into your window port. This is what that looks like. And it extends to fit many different window sizes. But this would extend up to your window size. You lock it into place. And then this end attaches right into there. It attaches and then kind of like slides into place to hold it on there. And so this exhausts all the hot air that the machine makes. It exhausts it to the outside. This end of the tube is what attaches to the back side of your machine. There's a big circle right here. And this just slides in there and twists into place. Let me see if I can do it without it rolling away. Locks into place just like that. You move that over to your window, and it's good to go. This is the standard 3-prong cord for here in the United States, and then on the back is a surge protector built in. The back side of the machine is hooks to store your cord. This actually plugs back into the machine. So after owning for 4 years, I would absolutely buy this unit again. It's very affordable. It's very efficient. It works just as it's designed to. I would absolutely recommend it to any of my friends.